In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an automation rule in Jira Service Management. Whether you're looking to streamline your project management workflow or automate repetitive tasks, learning how to set up automation rules can be incredibly beneficial. First, we'll start by going to the Jira dashboard. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to your Jira account. Once you're logged in, you'll want to focus your attention on the left-hand side of the interface. Here, you should see options like projects or spaces, depending on your particular Jira setup. Click on either option to proceed. This will bring you to the section where individual projects or spaces are managed. Next, you'll notice 3 dots, which is often referred to as the More Options menu. Go ahead and click on these dots to explore further settings related to your current project or space. Within this menu, look for the Space Settings option and select it. This option can sometimes be a bit tucked away, so make sure you look carefully. You'll now see the Space Settings menu open. Among the various options here, find the one labeled Automation. Clicking on Automation will redirect you to a section specifically designed for managing and creating automation rules. Once you're on the automation page, it's time to create a new rule. You'll find a button labeled Create Rule. Give that a click. Here you have 2 main choices: creating a rule from scratch or using one of the many pre-existing templates that Jira offers. You can select the Use a Template option if you're not quite ready to start from scratch just yet. It's a simple way to jumpstart the process. Choosing to use a template will direct you to a list of templates available to you. You can search through these options to find one that best fits your needs. Once you've found the perfect template, select it by clicking on it. You're now able to make this template your own by customizing it according to your specifications. Editing your chosen rule template is straightforward. The interface is designed to be user-friendly. You'll have fields to fill out and options to enable, allowing you to fine-tune the rule so it behaves exactly as you'd like. In the Rule Details section, ensure all necessary parameters are set correctly to avoid any unwanted automation mishaps down the line. After reviewing and finalizing the details of your rule, there's just one thing left to do. You'll see a button labeled Turn on Rule. Clicking this button will activate the rule, integrating it into your project's workflow seamlessly. And that's it. You've successfully created an automation rule in Jira Service Management, poised to make your project management duties a whole lot easier. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out more of our tutorials for additional project management tips and tricks.